Welcome to True Assistive Technology. Introducing the RamPlus Portable Suitcase Ramp, your solution for effortless wheelchair accessibility. The RamPlus Portable Suitcase Ramp is designed to provide accessibility for individuals using wheelchairs, mobility scooters, or any other mobility aids. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, it unfolds to create a smooth incline over steps, allowing wheelchair users to access buildings, vehicles, or other areas with mobility barriers. The ramp features a non-slip surface to ensure traction and safety even in wet or slippery condition. The RamPlus Portable Suitcase Ramp combines practicality with safety to enhance mobility and accessibility in multiple environments. The length of the portable suitcase ramp is 3 feet and can be used in places up to 2 stairs and vertical length of 12 inches. This ramp is designed to support up to 250 kgs and accommodate wide range of user needs. This ramp weighs only 7.2 kgs so that it can be easily carried by an individual. The ramp folds for easy transportation and storage, making it convenient to carry it in a vehicle or store when not in use. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates.